just give me one second, okay? Okay. Hey. I'm from Boston. Oh my god, you listen to Beach Fossils? Have you read Buddha? The last guy I dated, my ex-lover Ronald, fuck buddy Daryl. I went to Catholic school, but like he would never let me go down on him because he thought it was degrading. You kind of remind me of Buddha. What? I'm checking for lumps. Hooked up with Asian. Hooked up with black. Hooked up with Hispanic. That ended whatever. It's like, who hasn't had gonorrhea? Yeah, I'm clinically depressed. My labia was just so irritated for so long. Xanax, Zoloft, Prozac, Adderall. Oh, do you want some? Here. My grandfather died when I was 8, smoking a shit ton of weed, like a ton of weed. And I was just like, Grandpa, do you hear me? I steal these crackers, these silverwares, chopsticks. It's important to experiment with other cultures. This sugar. Do you want to come with me to a party at Scribner? Come on, it's fine. I know these people. Woo! I'm done! Do you love me? My daddy abandoned me. It would be so stupid if we like made out right now. Wait, do you want to? Oh, hi. Oh my god, I was so drunk last night. Oh, what happened? Oh, you have to go? Okay. Well, yeah. Okay. Yeah, well, I'll find you on Facebook.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I don't have one either. Yeah. Oh, okay, well, I'll probably see you, like, around, like, in Palo Mountain. I see a lot of people there. Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, okay, bye. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna go to D Hall later. Oh, I understand. Like, it's hard. Okay. Yeah. See you, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe. We'll probably see each other at the next party. Okay. Okay, yeah. That was fun. Okay, bye. Yeah. Okay.